Hello and welcome back to another quick unboxing to see what I've bought in the last few days. Finally got my old printer back from my teenage years. Bought one of these back in 1994, I think it was 95, just after I got my first Amiga 600. Used this quite a lot actually back in the day for CVs and amongst other things. So let's get it open. Haven't seen one of these in a long time either. I think I got rid of mine back in early 2000s. This is a dot matrix printer, one of those really loud ones. 9-pin, if I remember rightly. Missed the sound of those though, so that'll be a nice trip down memory lane to hear that again. That's the daisy paper feeder, the daisy wheel there. So unusual packing. Heavier than I remembered it being. The manual. Unfortunately, it looks like the paper tray is missing. Wow. There you have it. 9-pin Citizen 120D Plus printer. So it's black and white only. Obviously that will need a new ribbon now. You can still get the ribbons on eBay, not a lot of money either. You can change the port on the side. I think it was either parallel or this. Going back a long time now, I can't remember. That's that. What else have we got? This is another one of those little tape recorders I bought the other day. Yes, it is. Little dust cover. Oh, got the manual with this one. This one's in much better condition than the other one I bought. I just had to buy this. I was doing a search on them and it came up on eBay. I think it was like £2.90 buy it now. I thought, you know, for that price I'm going to have it. Be good for spares. Same as the other one, the belt's perished. You can actually see in there, do you know what? God, it's actually turned to, it's actually dissolved like into licorice. Wow. Another project. Wow. Guarantee card. Sometimes you get receipts for these old things, but I don't think there's anything in here. There's a guide there showing all the different things you can get for it. Lots of headphones there, or earpieces, foot pedal. Not sure what that is, probably remote. I suppose these would have been used in like solicitors' offices and banks, that kind of thing, for taking dictation. And of course now everything's digital. Just one more for today. Oh. Heavy one. I think in here it's a tape drive for a computer. I've never had one of these before. So look, but as with a lot of technology, it's so expensive when it first comes out. Unless you've got a bit of money, you just can't afford to try it when it comes out straight away. I'm usually about 10 years behind. It's a box within a box. Some tapes in it as well. Wow, I've never seen these before. Look at those in a second, let's get it all out first. This old technology fascinates me. Wow, these tapes are massive and really heavy. Never seen these before. Quantum DL tape. Wow. It's all sealed, so I imagine something opens up somewhere when you put it in. Oh, there we go. There's a trap door there. So as it goes into the machine, that'll open up. It reminds me of the old that video format of tape from the Philips did in the 70s. That didn't really take off before Video 2000. And here's the main unit. There we go. It's a quantum drive, tape drive, data backup. Certainly heavy. The SCSI termination adapter there, that's good done. I'm hoping to be able to use these, or use this on my Amiga for backing up music, for sampling. But I've no idea if it's compatible or not. No doubt some drivers will be needed. Yes, I've always wanted one of those. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tapes there to use. This can't be how heavy they are. And there we have it then. That's my recent purchases from the last few days. As I said, just a quick unboxing, just to make sure everything's okay. And in future videos I'll examine them all a bit more closely and try them out. Well, I think that's just about it for today. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll be seeing you soon.